Hey guys, in today's video I will show you completely mind-blowing way how you can leverage AI to get unlimited leads, thousands, tens of thousands every single day. So as you both know, the more leads you have, the higher volume of outreach you can do, the more clients you have, the more money you are making. So that is why this is completely phenomenal way of actually getting leads. So just guys, a quick video how to get it done just to satisfy your fried brain from TikTok. It's a quick video, but you can leverage it in so many ways. So firstly, you can guys either just use ChatGPT from the beginning. So what you have to do right now is just briefly explain who are you, what you are doing, just to give ChatGPT clarity. So basically the answer will be more tailored and personalized directly to you. Here, just briefly explain what you are doing, what's your niche, with what you will need help in a second. And here you just want to ask them to find you 5 people on IG in your niche, in your specific target area that you can leverage then to do the outreach. So you can either just go to the IG, go into the one profile of your competitor, check their followers, followings, find other profile, and it is never ending loop because there are like so many people that you can, for example, just scrape leads from, do the outreach by yourself, sign clients. You just have to either go directly to the IG, find one profile. As you can see here, for example, Eric. You can go to the Eric's profile, then look what profiles he's following. In his followings, you just want to find other profiles with, for example, less followers, but more quality followers. Then you just want to find other people, and it is never ending loop of actually finding these people. But then what is the most effective way of actually scraping leads, scraping followers? You guys want to use, for example, either instant data scraper. It's perfect, for example, for scraping just comments. So you just have to find a reel where the guy, for example, just said, DM me setter and I will send you whatever. Then you have huge list of already pre-qualified people because they are, for example, already interested in appointment setting. So these are all your potential clients. So you can use either instant data scraper, as you can guys see here, but to actually scrape profiles with all the bios, all the keywords, everything, we want to use IG Roman. It is both Chrome extensions, as you can see here. You can either extract followers, followings, you can either extract by hashtags, locations, like it's pretty mind-blowing what you can do with this software. It's just Chrome extension. With you, I think you can scrape 500 leads daily. So if you want to actually scrape more, you need to buy the premium one. And here, for example, we just want to scrape followers. So here we just, for example, want to type in Eric, wait interval. We want to keep it at least 50 seconds just to not get banned by IG. So you have to just be careful with the wait interval. You also don't want to get it, for example, too long. Of course, not too short. 15-20 seconds is the sweet spot of actually not getting banned. Here, just click on go. Here, they are even making us aware that there's a potential risk of a ban. So that's why here you just want to, for example, use other sub account. Here you want to just wait till it's been extracted. Then you want to just export it into the CSV file. And that's basically it. And after getting all of these followers, followings, hashtags, our potential client leads into our CSV file, we also want to filter them out because, as you can see, not everyone here is qualified, right? And you can either do it manually, but as you guys know, we want to automate, delegate, eliminate. We want to work on a business, not anymore in the business. We want to save time. So the perfect tool actually to not manually, but using AI, qualify and filter out all these people. You can either just proceed with this file and you just want to get it into ChatGPT, or you can just, for example, copy and paste everything here into our ChatGPT. And here, guys, just for the sake of this video, I just copy and pasted some of the stuff. Of course, it will be more effective if you will actually filter this stuff, filter all this useless data. But if you just copy and paste some of the profiles, then you just have to ask to, for example, write me here usernames of the people who have in the bio keywords, whatever niche you are in. Here, for example, I typed down SMMA, coaching, consulting, online money, business. Type me down each one of them. And as guys, you can see here, we've got our qualified filtered guys using AI, saving shit ton of time, not wasting any more time with this low level task. Because like guys, not gonna lie, if you're not either delegating or automating lead scraping, you won't ever scale past 10K month. And if you are fine with that, then sure, do it manually, do everything manually, but you need to somehow get leverage. You need to somehow get advantage over other people. So that's why you have to either cut all the BS, eliminate useless tasks, automate most of the things, and the things you can't actually automate, you want to delegate. And that's, guys, actually the only way to scale past 10 30, 50, 100K month. And why scraping unlimited leads is so important? Because guys, then you can send thousands of DMs every single day, everywhere. Facebook, X, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever you're sending on. More DMs, more meetings, more clients, more money for you. Guys, just quick video, pure sauce. Utilize this knowledge. If you have any questions, just drop me DM on IG, and that's it. Peace.